half for 60. So decide that. Another is instead of I put my seatbelt on for safety. I reach the accelerator and look at my phone. Put later, so. After the quarantine, yay! So let's go!
2 hours later.
My friend's place. Just gonna show you the road. It's on, my friend. Very pretty. We're going today. We're going for shopping.
Window shopping.
Window shopping. Okay, so we're
No
going.
money.
We're here now sa aming favorite na shop. Aga-aga siya. There we are. Sa our favorite shop. Shopping galore. And then, ano ko, busy. Minus Wendy's. Huwag gawin mo dun. How much? What's for baby? For barbecue, I think. Oh, barbecue, yeah. Maybe barbecue. You can put the barbecue there and then let it cool. Hot. Until warm, no? What you gonna have here? When you're done cooking, it's very cheap. $3. Knock knock. Palit mo check. $10. The whole place. I need one. follow the social distancing. Walang tao dito. Sino yan? Hello. Tries on sunglasses. It's only $6.
Try that. Alalay na siya.
How much is this? $4.
Kunin mo na.
Just for fun. Ay, nahulog na. Ano ba yan? Done with our shopping. So, we're time to go home now. Ano? We're going to the other shop. La. That's our favorite shop. Ako lang pala. Nakikisa. Sa favorite ng bayan. Naglisngag man ang ilo. Oh, sige day. Okay. So, here you go. Bye-bye. Daming tao ngayon. Super busy ang mga tao. Bakit ang bagal nila? Kasi maganda yung sasakyan nila. Saan? Ayun. Ay, yan ang mag-video lang muna. Yan ang Asian shop food. Wala katapusan lang ito. Ayun na, sa eskwela.